Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video today. Bought some license plate frames, wanted to show those before I put one of these on my car. And these are made from silicone, rubber, or plastic, whatever you consider silicone to be. Here's the name of the company. I'm sure I won't pronounce it right. Let's just call it Aujen. Got some instructions on how to put the plates in the frames if you need to know how to do that. The screws did not come here. So I will have to use my old screws to mount the frames. But yeah, I got two of these. Now you can just order one. They're pretty inexpensive. Maybe we'll go to the site a little bit later. So yeah, made from a silicone material. Silicone feels like rubber. I've got kind of a grid feel here on this side that the plate is going to be touching, and on the back a very smooth texture here. It's going against the car. Got 4 holes. I've already checked to see if the issued plates, the state issued plates, line up with the holes, and they do. So there's no problem there. Looks like we've got some vent holes here, the top and the bottom. Another cool thing about these is the fact that they have drainage. There's 3 drainage holes. So this would be the bottom. But yeah, with silicone, you're not going to get you're not going to get rust. You're not going to get any kind of rattle against your car with these, of course. This material is not going to break down. Silicone holds up pretty well over the years. There is no discoloration or degrading, like I said, and it's should look about the same as you see here, as far as this matte black look to it, and the same as far as the shape goes. So yeah, whether it be very hot, very cold, it's going to be good for years, I would expect. So I want to go to the site and let you see firsthand some of the things that I actually didn't mention. So this is a U.S. license, 4 U.S. license plates, but I wanted to let you see this totally street legal, with 0 license plate and sticker obstruction. The license plate frames for car won't bring you trouble. No more worrying about being stopped by the police. Worry-free purchase. Yeah, they do offer an email, and I think they do have an online store. And I wanted to show the dimensions. Alright, now it's time to put the plate in the frame. We have a little handy tool here. The ends are different. And we have the instructions if we need them. So what we'll do is just start at the bottom with the vent holes, the 3 vent holes. Put the plate in. And go to one of the other sides. So far not needing the tool. Silicone is pretty flexible, and it does have a good memory, so if you pull it, it's going to go back to its previous shape. Okay. Make sure I don't cut myself on this tin plate. We're going to have a pretty snug fit, which is really what we need. All right, there we go. Almost. Okay. Oh, down here. Okay. Got good contour with the plate. See if the holes match up. Very good. All right, so this is a pretty quality frame here from what I can see. If you need a yearly sticker, here's a sticker with the frame in place, and you can see there's clearly enough room here for visibility of the sticker, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. Now we're out at the car that I'm going to put the plate on. Just took my temporary plate off, and yeah, make sure that you have the screws. The head will, be big enough. Otherwise, you may need washers. So let's go ahead and install our new plate. One little point of interest I want to say: if you don't have silicone frames, or you don't want to get silicone frames, look how they put these little Velcro pads here. This will actually keep your bare plate from vibrating against the car. It's a pretty good idea. I've never seen that. All right, so let's go ahead and put the plate on. All right, I think most people probably know how to do this. You can use a screwdriver as well with some of these. You can see there's a place for that if you don't have a wrench. Okay, our frame and plate are now on the vehicle. That's what we've got. I like that. Matches the black trim that I already have. Good to go. Okay, so if you've watched the video this far, probably know it's not a real license plate. 72 and 73 is pretty obvious. So I'm going to actually put this on the front of the car, so we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and I also want to say that putting them on the front can cover up blemishes. Like I've got some faded paint here, and that'll cover that up. So we'll put it on the front and see what it looks like. Okay, here we are on the front now. Looking good. And that's where we'll live. So I guess that's going to be it for silicone license plate frame or frames. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.